This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai I30 SX Hatch, stock reference number 4408. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It is a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right-hand side. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims, left front has a good tyre. We have the left manual fold power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, non-Bluetooth type, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.